So that's a, I don't know, 20 mile an hour or more headwind. Wind is cranking. We got a new microphone. We're gonna see if it's worth anything. We also have the GoPro Media Mod that we're gonna test out. See how that works out. What do you think, Anna?
I think that is really windy out.
If you heard that, that's gonna be a good test. So. This video is not sponsored by Jeep.
Not at all.
Or GoPro, or this other microphone that we're testing today. But we finally got some good audio, or at least we hope. Right now we got the external microphone plugged into the GoPro Media Mod, and hopefully this is going to solve a little bit of our audio issues. End of the world US 1. Navy base right there. Doing a little testing today. We're gonna test the Media Mod next and see how that one sounds. Still walking with the wind right now. I'll be interested to see the difference of the two. See which is more clear, what's more wind resistant. Wind is blowing a steady, I don't know, 15 at least, gusting up to 20. As you can probably tell, this is now the stock microphone on the GoPro. Still walking with the wind. Good strong gust. So now we're using the external mic, which I will leave a link in the description below for, this and the Media Mod. This used to be an old hangout spot that a lot of locals would come to. back at the house. And look at this mess. We got a snow flurry. Key West snow flurry. This foam builds on the surface of the water from decomposing sea matter, so it's actually really nasty and really stinky. Normally happens when we get a stronger wind like this. What do we got in the bucket? What do we got? What do we got? Snappers.